Hi, this is Dub Rosenberg. We were just doing a renovation on our house, and we built a new upstairs balcony, and we wanted to have a set of stairs that we could go from the ground floor to the upstairs. It's about 12 feet high, and never done anything like this before, and so we got in touch with Paragon, and I worked with one of the designers, Steve, and he helped me figure out how to do the spiral from the right direction all the way up to the top, and got us a gate for the top. To prevent dogs and kids from going down unexpectedly. The installation was actually fairly straightforward. The hardest part, honestly, was the handrail, untwisting it and figuring out how to get it attached onto the railings. But it was very easy. We did it in about 2 days, all in all, including unpacking everything and figuring out what everything was and where it went to. It was me and our handyman that was doing it, so I'd never done anything like this, he'd never done anything like this, and we had one call to the Paragon support to understand a couple of different pieces about it, but overall the process went pretty smoothly and we were very happy with the results. Thank you.